Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful ingredients in nature, turmeric. You might already know it as the golden spice in curry, but did you know it's also amazing for your health? Let's dive into a simple and delicious turmeric drink you can make at home. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help with joint pain, boost immunity, and improve digestion. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a turmeric drink that's packed with health benefits. Here's what you'll need for this simple drink. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of warm water or milk. For a creamier option, a pinch of black pepper. This helps the body absorb curcumin. A little honey or lemon for taste, optional. First, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to your cup. Next, pour in some warm water or milk, whichever you prefer. Milk gives it a nice creamy texture, while water makes it more refreshing. Add a pinch of black pepper. Sounds weird, right? But pepper helps increase the absorption of curcumin in your body by up to 2,000%. Lastly, I like to add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor and sweetness. Now stir it up and that's it. You've got yourself a turmeric drink that's as simple as it is powerful. This drink is great for reducing inflammation, boosting your immune system, and supporting your digestion. Plus, it's super easy to make and can be enjoyed any time of day. So there you have it, a simple turmeric drink to add to your daily routine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.